Hello, today we are going to go over the topic of how we can print a BGT branded fidget toy. So first, you should go to tinkercad.com and log yourself in. Rather you have an account or you don't. If you don't, click on sign up. Teachers can sign up using the Educator Start Here button. Just do what it follows. Agree on some terms of service and log in. If you're a student and have a class code, you can use that to log in. If not, you can use student accounts email function or more sign-in options to log in. Either way, you can create a personal account. If you already have an account, teachers go using an email. Students with class codes use this. Students with emails use this. And personal accounts, my way, use this. Anywho, after logging in, you can take the link that was given in the video's description or comments. Either way, they're in both ways. Copy the link and paste it into a tab. After which, you'll be meeting by such a screen. If the link is invalid, after a while, you can search it up using BGT Ring Spinner. You have two screens, rather touch screen or this screen. Either way, you'll have two buttons, Tinkertis and Download. As you can see, Tinkertis and Download. If you want a single color print, you can simply just click on Download and download either of these files. If not possible, you should use the file converter to convert the data to whatever slicer data you need. If you want a multicolor print, you have to click on Tinkertis, because in normal ways it will think it's one object. After clicking on Tinkertis, you'll be met with a screen with the product itself. Click on the base and export it using the 3D print file you need. After that, export the other file, the ball. Identifying not needed will be useful so you don't get confused with what file you're downloading. The tutorial isn't over yet. Now I'm going to show you how you can make it yourself. First, create a new project. 3D design. After which, you'll be met with an empty canvas or work plane. Pick your favorite object. I'm gonna pick the polygon. Pick the round ring. Size it to your favorite object using the squares given at each corners or the squares given at each side. Fit it to your liking. Pick hole. Recommended steps and sides is always 24. If you're going for a low poly style, recommended is 10. I'm gonna go with 24 for this tutorial. Radius and cube size can be modified for the sake of sizing it to the correct size. I'm going to modify it like this. Choose both objects. Group them. You'll finally have a torus with a hole. Now, pick a ball or any round object that can rotate inside of the torus. Size it down to the size of your torus. Preferably, add a couple more centimeters or millimeters, depending on the size of your torus. I'm gonna make it really small for the reasoning of the tutorial. Make sure the ball is not smaller than the openings of the torus or holes. After which you are done. But still make sure such that the objects don't touch. If done, they'll print inside of each other, making them very hard to separate. If possible, correct yourself. Drag this a bit. Put it at preferably the number of height minus 1 plus 0.5. Oh wait. Maybe more. 7.5. This is now not touching the object. Now, I have done a fatal error of making the torus too open. This means this will not function and will just fall out. To prevent that, ungroup this. Make the torus smaller. Preferably by 1 unit. Choose the objects again. Mind that you should not choose the ball. After which, you can just fit the ball through here. Make sure to make the hole big enough to remove the supports after printing. If not done, the ball will not glide through the print or base. You can add text by choosing the text tool, rather adding mass or subtracting mass. Now this is a bit too big, so let's size it down and put it high up, on top of the base. Preferably, put it at your favorite location. Put it down if removing mass. Put it on the surface if adding mass. I'm going to be removing mass for this tutorial. After which, select both items and keep in mind, not choosing the ball. Group them and you are done. After which, as repeated, export first the base and then the ball. After which, open them at the same time in a slicer of your printer. After which, preferably make it a little bigger because it might be a little small, and you're done. This is how you can make a spinning ball thing. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and tune out for more. That was it. Tune out.